Hi everyone, and welcome to Surfachem's demonstration video on formulation PC0858, and this is our detangling shampoo. Add the Aerolite F8030 Fine to the main vessel and keep that stirring for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's fully incorporated. And the next step is to add the SURFAC G995V. And now we are adding the Merquart 550 PR. Once again, just make sure that this is fully incorporated before proceeding to the next step. Now we're going to move on to the surfactant phase of our formulation. We're going to add the SURFAC B50 first, and then just wait until that's fully clear before moving on. Then we're going to add the Alpha Step PC48. Once this has been added, the sample will start to thicken, so you may want to increase the speed of your stirring. Next, as our preservative, we're going to be adding VERSTATIL BL. Now, in a separate vessel, we are going to pre-mix the fragrance, which in this case is green tea Phytogaia, with 9-ol CAA. We're going to give this a stir and then proceed to add it to the main batch with stirring until fully incorporated. Next, we're just going to increase the stirring speed to ensure that everything is homogeneous before moving on to the next step. Finally, adjust the pH using citric acid 20% solution. You want to make sure that the pH is around 5 to 5.3. Again, increase the speed of your mix to ensure full incorporation. As you can see, the final formulation is a lovely thick shampoo. Our demonstration sample is slightly aerated, so here's a sample I made earlier. If you would like to learn more about this formulation or anything else we can offer, ask your account manager or visit our website.